तो गाइस, न्यू डे न्यू व्लॉग। आज हम ना नया फ़ोन सैमसंग का देखने वाले हैं, दैट इज़
S25 Ultra।
हाँ। तो कैसा दिख रहा है वीडियो क्वालिटी? थोड़ा लाइट डालना अरमान।
बिजली का बिल तेरा बाप भरेगा।
अच्छा दिख रहा है। लेट्स गो।
Wow, nice.
Guys, we have reached here at the mall. Let's enjoy some of the cinematic shots which I will be going to take.
Delightful. Really delightful. I'm the Glob Glow Gabgala. I love books, and this basement is a true treasure trove. I am the Glob Glow Gabgalab, the schwabble double wabble gabble flibber blabber blab. I'm full of schwibble glibber kind. I am the yeast of thoughts and mind. Schwabble dabble glibber glabber schwibble schwab glab. Dibble double shwibble shabble glibber glab schwab. Schwabble double glibber glabber schwibble schwab dab. Dibble double shwibble shabble glibber schwab glab. Ooh,
Now this is the new S25 Ultra
delicious. Oh,
with the all new One UI 7, I think. Yes, this is the One UI 7. From right here we can see all the notification panels. It's just basically the S24 Ultra with the upgraded version with this rounded corners, what I feel, and maybe an ultra wide sensor which is 50 megapixels, I think. 50 megapixel, yeah, 50 megapixel is the, and this is my S24 Ultra. What all we have is one more downgrade, which is this S Pen not coming with the Bluetooth version, because in other previous version in S24 Ultra we had the Bluetooth version, from where if we press this button the camera would open and then air gestures and all those things were used to. And this is the One UI 7 with all the notification panel down and the new look. Sliding button. I think this is a bit smoother than the S24 Ultra. And that's it. This is the new S24 with the S25 features. Next we have this S25 Plus, maybe Plus, yes. This is the S25 Plus with all older version cameras, just the One UI. So basically this year we have the new software OS, and this is the OG S25, which is the small pocket king. Let's see the other phones, and which are the Galaxy Z Fold. Z Fold is also very good. Here it comes with boxier version, and then it gets open up like this. This is also good, but maybe maintenance charges will be more than the newer S24 or the S25. This is the Z Flip. It has been long time seeing this phone. Maybe I have seen the Z Flip 4 or 5 when I came to the Samsung store, and now this is the Z Flip 6. Nice, it's good. And this is how it closes. Next we have this watch, which is released maybe 6 months ago. How does it look on my hands? Is it good? If it is good, comment down. And this is the Z Fold.
I am the Glob Glow Gabgalab, the schwabble double wabble gabble flibber blabber blab. I'm full of schwibble glibber kind. I am the yeast of thoughts and mind. Schwabble dabble glibber glabber schwibble schwab glab. Dibble double shwibble shabble glibber glab schwab. Schwabble double glibber glabber schwibble schwab dab. Dibble double shwibble shabble glibber schwab glab. Ooh, splendid.
Guys, here we have a car mela. We have Nexa cars, Hyundai cars, Honda cars in the back. You see the Volvo car, and then we have this new electric car as well here, and Verna. Maybe this is a new car fest or something. Here we have this, and we also have Bullet also. This is the GT, the Instagram bike, and the base Royal Enfield. This is the Himalayan. Sorry. This is all the bikes. And today is Sunday. There is a lot of rush here. That's it for the day, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. How was the S25 Ultra? Please comment down and visit what upgrade? Buy the S24. That's it for the day. Bye bye.